Cherry freezer jam has three really good things going for it. Number one, it's made out of cherries. Number two, it has less sugar than your standard jam. And number three, it maintains that really fresh cherry taste. The only downside is that it takes up freezer space. I've already de-stemmed my cherries so that they could go in my pitter, and then I washed them off to remove any residue of pesticides, and then I sent them through my pitting machine. Despite that, I still go through and check regularly to make sure that there's no pits. With that being said, there's always still the risk that there's some pits still in here. And so if I hear any when I put this on the blender, I stop it right away because I don't want pit pieces in there, and I have to find the pit before I move on. I'll need 1 2/3 cups of blended cherries. I usually start small and just add to it from there. If you like to still have some chunks in your jam, then you'll want to do it just on low. But if you like it really smooth, then do it on the high. So I'm at about 1 1/4, so I'll add more cherries. I'll measure 2/3 of a cup of sugar into a bowl, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of the instant pectin. Instant pectin is different in that it doesn't need heat to be activated, and that's why it can be used to make freezer jam. The classic pectin wouldn't work for this one. And I'll mix those two together. It's nice because they're slightly different colors, so it's easy to tell if they're fully mixed or not. The reason I do this is that if that pectin hit anything that was liquid, it would clump up immediately. I'll then add that to my cherry mixture, plus 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'll blend it for 20 seconds on low. Really at this point, all I'm doing is stirring together all of the ingredients. Now I'll fill up my freezer container up to 1 inch of headspace. Headspace is from the top of the food to the top of the container. This just makes it so that there's some expanding room for when it's in the freezer. So now I'll place on my lid and I'll put it on the counter for 30 minutes. Now that my pectin's set, I'll store this in my freezer until it's ready to be used. Then I'll take it out, use it, and put it in the refrigerator and use it within the next couple of weeks.